In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a GTD dashboard in Notion, 5 minutes. We're building a simple, reliable system to capture tasks, organize projects, and see exactly what to do next without overcomplicating things. GTD stands for Getting Things Done, and the core idea is to keep everything in one trusted place so your brain can focus on doing, not remembering. Start by logging into Notion so you're on your workspace home. If you're new, the free plan is perfect for this setup. Create a master tasks database. This will be your single source of truth for every action, big or small. Add a new page, choose a full page database, and name it something clear like tasks. This keeps everything centralized so you don't scatter lists across pages. Now add the essential properties that make GTD work. Use status to track where a task stands. Things like next, waiting, or done help you scan quickly. Add context to note where or how you'll do it, such as home, office, phone, or deep work. Add projects so tasks can be grouped meaningfully. Due date keeps time-sensitive items visible, and priority helps you spot what truly matters. Keep property names simple and consistent so filters stay clean later. Next, build your dashboard page. Create a new page called Dashboard and think of it as your control center. Add a brief header and a tidy navigation area so you can jump to tasks and projects easily. This could be simple text links or a minimal callout section. On the dashboard, pull in focused task lists using linked views. Type / search for linked view of database and select your tasks database. Create a today view filtered by due date and status, a next actions view filtered by context, and a waiting for view so nothing falls through the cracks. Keep each view small and purposeful. The goal is glanceable clarity. Create a separate projects database. A project is any outcome that requires more than one step. Make it a full page database so it's easy to manage on its own. Link tasks to projects using the relation property. In tasks, add a relation to projects so each task can be assigned to its project. This lets you open a project and instantly see every related task. It also keeps your dashboard filters accurate and your system cohesive. Finally, customize views for how you work. Use a calendar to see upcoming deadlines, a board grouped by status for flow, or a table for quick editing. Keep refining as you go, but start simple. With this setup, you've got a clean GTD dashboard that helps you capture, organize, and act with confidence.